appreciate if you also step in. We will be bringing maybe proposals or something, or because of our discussions, some of these things and modalities will be worked out so that us as women can benefit. You know, women multitask a lot. This is the first time it is coming to us as a state in the South-South region. And I just hope, or we hope, that it will count for us under your leadership, in the sense that the key programs of the First Lady of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Senator Remi Tinubu, the Renewed Hope agenda, which she has taken across the states. I know they were in Cross River, they were in Akwa Ibom and all of that. We would like to see a situation where our own dear First Lady will also key in and get Nigerians involved in those activities. Unfortunately, the person who is the PA to the governor of Bayelsa State, who happens to be the anchor person for Nigerians, she was an immediate past chairperson of Nawaja in Bayelsa, because her first lady is the coordinator in the Niger Delta region of the Renewed Hope. She slumped and died on Thursday last, when she was getting ready to go for an assignment that had to do with the Renewed Hope and all of that in the interest of women. So, sir, aside what we need to do, there's also the health component that we also want to incorporate in our activities, so that periodic checks, you know, I'm sure that perhaps if she had had the time to check maybe the BP or something, well, we may look at it as trivial, but it has become very important